Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by collecting the essentials and opening the official PUC portal or authorized vendor app. Enter your vehicle registration and verify chassis/engine numbers. This prevents mismatches later. Once done, upload or select the most recent pollution test ID if you have one, or opt to book a test slot. Make sure your payment method is ready so you don't stall at checkout. This step reduces back and forth and gets you ready to submit accurate data quickly. You now complete the detailed form. Type the owner name and address exactly as on the RC because mismatches cause rejections. Then choose vehicle class and fuel type and input engine or chassis numbers precisely. The backend cross-checks these. Next, attach a clear scan or photo of the PUC test report. Blurry uploads fail verification. Once everything is entered, review each field slowly, then proceed to payment. This step ensures the system can validate your records without manual intervention. You finish by authorizing payment and waiting for confirmation. Save the receipt and note the transaction ID so you can track the request. Once processed, download the official PUC certificate or copy its reference number into your records and print if you need a hard copy. If the application is rejected, do not panic. Check for simple causes like mismatched RC details or unreadable uploads, correct them, and resubmit. A single clear correction usually resolves most verification failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.